How great it is when you ask a user to either select or type something and then instead of a generic word, you use the answer in the title of questions. Have a look at this form. Users can either select their favorite game or enter the name of their favorite game. Later we display this in other question titles. In Aliveforms, we have variables. We can set variables via logic units and then use them later as template chunks. There are two screens from which users can give the answer of their favorite game. Later it is used in multiple screens. Start by creating a new local logic unit. Our logic is going to have only two conditions. Add first condition. The input is input of screen. Screen number is 1. Remember, in Aliveforms, counting starts with 0. Select operation, in list. Enter 0, 1, 2 in list notation. We need to check if the user selects options 0 or 1 or 2. Add action, define variable. Name of the variable is game. For value, we can use either a hard-coded value or we can use templated items. Here is a complete look of the condition. Note that list values to match are written in list notation. Let's add another condition. Input is input of screen. Screen number is 2. Operation, set force always true. Value to match can be anything. Again, add action like we did in the first condition. We can use either a hard-coded value or we can use templated items. We can also concatenate both. Now save the logic unit. Open the form and apply the logic. Now we need to edit the titles of the questions. Edit the question and use var.game in template syntax. After making all changes, save the form and run the form to check. That's how you can use variables in Aliveforms.